What's up guys, Jack here, and welcome to my unboxing, setup, and review of the DJI Mic Mini. I think my last mic review was on the Boya BY-M1, which was over 5 years ago. I've since lost that microphone. It was like a $15 mic. This is a huge step up in terms of quality. So one of my biggest pet peeves when people review microphones is they only show you like one clip of them testing it, and then they record the entire rest of the video on their other microphone. But for this video today, I'm gonna record all the audio on this microphone so you guys can get the best possible understanding of what it sounds like in a real world setting. I'm gonna be using it both live in front of the camera and over the commentating parts. But with that, let's see what comes in the box. So this microphone retails for $169 US on Amazon. This is the whole package that comes with the charging case, but you can also get just the mic and receiver for $89.99. The package comes in a nice nylon bag here with a little zipper. It fits all the accessories inside, which is super nice. You get a little 3.5 cable to connect to your mic jack on your camera, USB-C for charging. There's also 4 windscreens included. I think there's no difference between the two colors as far as I can tell. The charging case that's included holds the 2 mics and receiver and has 48 hours of battery life. Everything fits super nicely in here. This whole package has a really premium feel, and as you can see, there's USB-C charging on the back. So taking a look at the actual mic, you have a clip on the back with a little magnet for attaching. There's also 2 buttons, one for power and one for linking the mic to the receiver. The transmitter provides 11.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. The receiver itself has a clip that also slides into the cold shoe on your camera, so you can slide it right on top of any standard shoe. USB-C charging on the bottom, and it also has a little connector you can use to connect this receiver to your phone. So here's the entire package laid out on the desk. And banana for scale, in case you guys are wondering how large it is. Very, very compact. I like that everything fits inside the box. So now I'm gonna take you guys through a quick setup of how I connected this to my camera. Just plugging in the 3.5 into the receiver. And we're gonna go ahead and take that clip that I mentioned and just slide that straight into the shoe mount on top of my camera. So you can see that clip has a super nice fit into the shoe mount on top of the camera, and that's basically it. You just go ahead and plug it in and you're ready to roll. Power it on, you'll see the mic RX light come on, and then you'll see the channel of your mic come on as well. So this is one, you'll see it light up on the mic as well to indicate that you are live and ready to go. So I just wanna quickly show you guys how you connect this to your phone. The bottom of the receiver has this little mount that slides out, and you slot in this little USB adapter that's included in the case. And then you can just go ahead and plug that directly into your phone, and just like that, you're ready to record on your phone. A couple features I really liked about this. One, the volume knob on the receiver, super nice and tactile, has plus and minus 12 dB, and the magnet for clipping to your shirt is super convenient as well. So that was my unboxing, setup, and review of the DJI Mic Mini. As I said multiple times throughout the video, I'm super happy with the quality of this product. The entire package just has a super premium feel, the audio quality is superb, and all the accessories are super useful as well. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.